Okay, I'm doing a video where I'm gonna prank my cat. Let me just turn this off. So we're gonna prank her. So she doesn't really like when I do at her because she doesn't really like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and do it.
Look.
Okay, there she is. She's so cute.
Yeah.
My brother kind of cut it off some of her whiskers, so you might be wondering why it's not that long. That's why it's not that long. I don't know if he cutted some of these.
No.
Well, okay, let's get into it. Okay, she's okay. That looks okay.
No. That's why.